All right, so today we are going to try out adding a SaaS on here and then walking them through how they can improve their SEO. So let's do Collab. So just to give you some information about Collab, so that way you understand what it does. Collab helps communities come together. So actually it's joincollab.com. So let's make sure we update that. All right, so now we're tracking. They have two apps. I noticed that. So we're going to track joincollab.com. So let's go through this, and the first thing is we're going to find keywords for them. So as you can see, they do get people connected, through communities. They help people have events and stuff, such like that, So you can come on here and actually find events. It's actually a pretty cool tool for community building. It's a pretty cool tool for community building, hosting your events. Really, for example, I throw vibe code HTX, so this would be a dope tool to use to have my events and stay connected with my community. So that's something to keep in mind. They kind of remind me of Circle, but for in real life experiences and for virtual experiences. And if you're not aware of Circle, this is the complete community platform. So they're in competition with them, right? So we could start with running a keyword analysis for them just to see, what they're already doing or what kind of efforts they should pick for their niche. So let's just see what pops up first. So I think the problem with Collab is that they are pretty new. So they're only ranking for SaaS and SaaS onboarding tools. But that has nothing to do with what they actually do, right? And that's why when you use this keyword explorer, it's important that you do understand what you're trying to rank for. So I would look at Circle. So this is where I would actually just take Circle and I would just go straight to the competitor x-ray so we can even see what kind of keywords we want to add in. Because Circle's already doing a great job with ranking for what they want, what their customers are looking for. All right. So here's where I would start when you have a new domain, new website, all those things, right? So they're already ranking organically. This is branded, right, for them. But we can keep going down and seeing what else they got. But it's actually interesting because Circle, does have their own, branded domain. Okay, let me just.